some crafts with CoastLife.
Crafting with CoastLife, that's us.
Now, listen, I know yesterday didn't go as planned.
I think we tackled a craft that was a little bit above our skill level.
Yeah.
A little above our attention span.
Our patience, a lot. So we're not doing these corn balls. We actually said we think this looks like weird Barbie.
It does.
You know, with her hair in all different directions, it's all sparse.
It does.
So we're gonna throw this out. We're gonna do a more simple Halloween craft that you and your kids can do today. We are hoping this one goes better. So let's put the corn ball away.
Yes.
Okay.
So I guess what we're diving into today, what we're going to be making, are these sort of puffy paint spider webs. I think what the idea is you get yourself some parchment paper, some puffy paint, and you draw little spider webs on the parchment paper, and then when they're dry, you can just peel them off, and you have like a little outline of a spider web.
So cute. You can probably stick it to a window or hang it with like string, whatever you want to do.
Yeah, but it's sort of like free floating, and I think that'd be cute in any house.
All right, so let's try this out. Again, we haven't tried this yet.
So we're gonna give it a go.
We're just gonna try it out.
Okay,
and we've established Leah's the artist here, so.
Remember how to draw a spider web.
Here we go. And I'm guessing all the parts should be connected, right? So that when you peel it up.
Yeah, I think everything's got to connect at least in some way.
All right, let's see what we got here. I'm gonna start with a circle. I also, just thinking about this, and again, this could be wrong, I think it's best to make like thick lines so that it peels easier. Yeah. It might take longer to dry though.
Yeah. Pros and cons.
Pros and cons. So I'm gonna go with like a little bit of thicker lines today. Ooh, yeah, I'm trying to remember what a spider web looks like, but I don't have it in front of me.
I'm going with a couple of circles first.
Oh, smart.
I'll do like 3.
Okay. Also,
I think this web's a little bit smaller.
Hack, we got the parchment paper that has like the faint lines on it. This is actually kind of helping me keep my lines straight.
Yeah, I guess that's what normally for measuring. So that,
perfect.
If you're putting like cookies on there, they're all evenly spaced.
Yeah,
maybe?
And I love because you probably have a lot of this at your house, and if you don't have puffy paint, it's really cheap to get at the store. Yeah. We got it at the store for like, what, $1?
Something like that,
Something. Yeah. Ooh. Oh, that doesn't look as good when I pulled away from it.
I think it looks great.
Thanks.
Ooh.
Did you used to puffy paint like t-shirts all the time?
I was just gonna say, if you've got like teenage daughters at home, you probably have puffy paint because they were used for every like team sport, team bonding, every kind of craft.
I'm pretty sure I puffy painted my first concert t-shirt for Justin Bieber.
Oh my gosh, so we puffy painted my little cousin when she, might have been her 21st birthday, but it might have been her 20th. We took her to see Miranda Lambert.
Ooh.
And we totally surprised her. We gave her a cami, because she was all about her like cami tank tops.
Yeah.
And we had puffy painted, "This is my Miranda Lambert cami."
Oh, cute.
And so she literally holds it up in front of her, and like while she's holding it up, my sister and I whip out the tickets. So when she puts the shirt down, she was like, "Oh my God."
Oh, that's cute. I love.
So puffy paint comes in handy.
Puffy paint brings people together.
It does.
I feel like this looks like an evil like witch symbol.
Well, it's a spider web, so it goes in like with a witchy category.
This is so bad.
And I think I'm gonna kind of do little like droopy connects between the triangles here.
Oh, can I
think
copy
like
you?
that's how they kind of hang in the corners of stuff.
Okay, I'm gonna copy you.
Although spider webs also always make me think of Charlotte's Web.
Oh, okay, good. That makes me feel better. Oh yeah, this does look a lot better.
I think that's sort of the trick.
This really is just Leah leading craft time.
Let's go.
I love this. Oh, that does make it look more like a spider web. Kind of.
Because that's how they...
I'm trying to dry it. Oh, and we forgot the best part, you guys. Glitter.
Yeah.
We also got glittery, just shimmery puffy paint to go over the black.
Which I think is a good move, because
think
regular glitter just gets everywhere.
Yeah.
But in puffy paint form.
So I'm just gonna like trace over, I think. I mean, this is gonna take forever to dry, but whatever.
All right, what if I get real fancy here?
Okay, hit me. What are you doing?
I'm gonna add a little spider.
Oh, cute. This is gonna be excited for Halloween. This is going so much better.
This is a lot easier than the candy corn balls that we attempted the other day.
And how calming is this?
This is actually really great.
I kind of keep forgetting to like talk to you. I'm like, I'm just in my own world, tracing with my puffy paint.
All right, now I know that spiders in real life has 8 legs, but this spider is gonna get 4.
You can do whatever you want. It's your spider. That's the best part.
He's kind of small.
I accidentally got some black puffy paint in the glitter paint.
That's okay.
Sorry for when you use it. And
he's gonna get 6.
I'm gonna just make it look like it's like a dewy, it got rained on spider web. Maybe that'll be cute.
Yeah,
Okay.
there you go.
Okay, I think that's good actually. I think if I do any more, I'm ruining it.
He didn't turn out as cute as I hoped.
He's so cute.
But he's there.
Oh, that's adorable. Okay,
Oh, I love yours.
Thanks. You want some glitter or no?
Sure.
Okay. Oh no. Ooh. Got paint on the table.
Whoopsie.
It's washable. I think.
I think it is.
It adds to the Halloween aesthetic of the studio.
Yeah. Oh, I like the glitter. That's fun.
Put Halloween music under this.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, I want to write like some pig.
Oh, that'd be cute. That's really sweet.
Ta-da!
Do you think it'll drip if I hold it up?
I don't think so.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
This is gonna be cute when it's dry.
So the fun thing about, puffy paint is because it's three-dimensional, when you peel it off, you're gonna have like a little, it's gonna be fun to work with.
Oh my gosh.
It'll hold.
I hope mine sticks to like a window or something. I'm gonna
Yeah,
try.
I hope the spider sticks. He might not be
Yes. Your spider on his 6 legs. I love this. So try this out with your kids. Let us know. Also, please let us know if you tried the cornball and if it turned out better than this.
I don't think we're ever quite gonna get past the candy corn ball.
I needed to like go home and just like relax after how angry this made me yesterday. This is the better option, in my opinion, for Halloween crafts.
I think I agree with you. So far, this one is in the lead of our favorites, but
Yes.
I guess we're gonna let these dry.
Yeah.
And CoastLife is gonna take a quick break.
Yep.
But we'll be